Welcome to writercool.com. In this video, we'll talk about Jira List, where Jira List sorts all your projects work into a single list that can be quickly scanned and sorted by field. You can also use the list to create, edit, and view issues in your projects. If you wanted to learn about Jira List, feel free to subscribe my channel. I regularly update or create videos on Jira which will be on hottest topic. If you wanted to understand about these two, be available from start to end of this video. And don't skip a single part of the video, otherwise you'll miss important part. Let's begin with Jira List View. To navigate into the list view from your projects, here you'll find it out in the left panel. List view is available where type is the first column. So this column indicates the type of issues in your list. Jira enables you to keep track of different type of works, task, subtask, epic, etc. By using different issue types, the default issue types depends on how your project has been set up by your project admin and which Jira templates you are using in your instance. To start using it, even you can do the sorting. And when you will click on this arrow, you will have sorted options available. If you will click on this, you will have clear sorting as well as ascending and descending order of the sortings are available. If you wanted to create a child issues under that, like we are using story, if you want to create it, you will be able to quickly do it by just adding plus icon and adding the name. This is subtask and click on create. It will be quickly created and here we have that child options are also available. So this is very quick and here from this sections you can select multiple tasks and do copy to clipboards, edit or delete operations you can perform into the bulk. This is the quickest way of the list view. Now, next column for key. This column gives your projects an unique issue key. For example, AS3, AS4, and all this. If you want to copy the link, click on this chain icon and you will have those options copied on clipboard. Similar way, if you wanted to click on any of this item and you wanted to see the details of those key, you can just click on that and it will navigate into the new window where you will have detail of your issue types are available. After this, if you want, even you can just add sorting operation and clear sorting. So sorting is available for all the columns exactly same way. Next is summary. So this column shows the summary of the issues in your list. This should provide an overview of the task at hand. Here, if you want to update any of those fields, you can just select it, add the summary, and it will be updated successfully. If you want to add a new column, you can just see in mid and you will have plus icon available where you will be able to add a new column in between that, like comments, effects, versions, everything is available here. Here in the summary view, you also have all the tasks, subtasks, everything is listed. If you wanted to move any column here and there, you will be able to easily do it. You can just shift those value here and there. Now next will be status. So before we'll talk about the status, let me talk about the priority. So this column indicates relative priority of the issues where you will see the priority is also possible to update it directly from here where you can click and this will be updated successfully. In the status field, exactly same way we have like priority, we can update the status at any point of the time. This will shows your issue status at a quick glance. Similar way, we have sprints where we can add or remove the sprints or even change the sprint from this column. After that, we have assignee. If the issue is already assigned to someone, that assigned person name will be listed. If that issue is not assigned, you can see the options to assign it at any point of the time. Next, we have labels. This column indicates additional information that can help to categorize issues. If you wanted to add the labels, you can easily add it by selecting it. Even we have sorting operations available in this view. Next column will be created. This column shows the date that the issue was created, and next will be updated. And here also won't be able to modify the created date, but updated date will be able to change it. Whenever you will update anything, that date will be updated. Now we have the reporter name as well. Whenever you want, you can change the reporter or add new reporter. After that, we have parent column, which shows the parent issues that an issue lives under it. Here, you can also add the parent issues if you want to assign it at any point of the time. Due dates can be also added. Whenever you want, you can add it. So that column indicates when the issue is due. Development point of view, we don't have any items available. That's the reason you are able to see something went wrong. But in fixed versions, we will get the versions where we plan on releasing features or bug fixes. If you want, you can add these versions directly from here or whichever you're planning. At any point of time you want to add or remove any additional column, you will be able to easily do it. So that's how these columns work. Even in the filter sections, we will have different filters available. We can add the filter based on due this week, assigned to me, actress friends, done items, all those filter options are available. Here, you can also apply some other filters like issue types based on the label, parents, priority, reporter, sprint. So almost every column's filters are listed here. Next is based on the group. You can also group by status, group by sprint, group by assignee, priority, as well as story pointers. At any point of time, you want to share this list with any of your team members or respective owners, you can easily do it. Same like other formatting options will give you a route to format these values or these list type. As of now, we have applied the filter. That's the reason we are unable to see anything. But now we have all those data available. In the more options, we can hide done items. If you want to expand all items, you will have expanded list view is here. This is how we can take help of list view to make our life easier. A overall picture of your projects where you can see each and every item in one view, which is helping us to see high level glance of our projects, what teams are doing and where we are at any point of time. If you wanted to update from the list view, that is also possible. So that's all from today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And question for you is, have you used list view before? If not, then try using it from today. And if you have used it, what will be the best part of list view which you found during your projects? Please share in the comment sections. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.